Here we have another division example. 10.14 divided by 5.2. The first number is my dividend and what I put inside the box. The second number, what I'm dividing by, is my divisor. I could estimate this by saying 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that's an estimated answer. Now let's actually do the math to get the actual answer. The dividend is inside and has the decimal here. The divisor is outside and also has a decimal. Well, the divisor must be a whole number when dividing. So we are going to move the decimal so that the divisor is a whole number. How many times do I have to move the decimal so that the divisor is a whole number? Once, because there's only one digit to move it past. So I'm going to move one time over on the outside, one time over on the inside, and then straight up. And that placement of the decimal is important when I'm dividing. Okay, so over, and then straight up. Now I'm dividing 101.4 by 52. That's my new problem. I've multiplied the dividend and the divisor by 10, giving me an equivalent division problem where I now have the decimal point that's going to go right here in my answer, straight up, once the divisor is a whole number. Now I can divide. 52 doesn't go into 1, so I will not have a number above the 1. 52 does not go into 10, so I would not have a number above the 10. 52 goes into 101. 52 times 2 is 104, so that's too much, because 104 is greater than 101. So 52 goes into 101 just one time. 52 times 1 is 52. So I divided, I multiplied, now I subtract. I get 49. And then I bring down the next digit, which is a 4, and I divide again. So the steps are repetitive. Divide, then multiply, subtract, then bring down the next digit until you get a remainder of 0. So 494 divided by 52, I'd have to do some math to see, is that going to be maybe 8 groups of 50 are 400, so that would be 408. Could probably do 9. 52 times 9 is going to be 9 times 2 is 18. Carry the 1, 45, 46. So that one's 468. So I divided 52 into 494. It goes 9 times. The 9 goes above the 4 because that's the number, the last digit I was using with the 494. The 9 goes right above that. And then I multiply 52 times 9. That gives me 468. And then I subtract 468 from 494. And that gives me 26. And then I'm back at bring down. I bring down the next digit. So I can continue bringing down another digit. I can put as many zeros at the end of that decimal number that I want and continue dividing, continue bringing down the next digit. So now we have 260 divided by 52. 52 times 5 is 260. So I know I'm going to put a 5 above that 0 that I just added. 52, that's my dividing. Then I'm going to multiply. 52 times 5 is 260. Then I'm going to subtract. And since I have a remainder of 0, I have no reason to bring down another digit. And now I have my solution, 1.95, which is close. My actual answer is close to my estimated answer.